Hi, I'm Madhav Ginoria, currently pursuing BTech Computer Science at Bennett University and doing my industrial training at Fresh Infotech Limited. So, today we're going to talk about Service Ticket Management System. What is it? Service Ticket Management System is management of complaints received by a company. Basically, it is an issue management application. What does it help in? It helps for better workflow and for better management of complaints to improve user experience. So this application was made by Laravel PHP Web Framework and MySQL relational database with front end with the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. For designing purpose, I use Bootstrap and I learned a lot during my industrial project. So let's start. So basically, we run a Laravel project by using PHP artisan command, which is PHP artisan serve, which runs it in our local system. So now we browse it to our local system, and that is 127.0.0.8001 if you have another running, or it's 8000. So this is the login page. So we have OTP as well. So for the timing, we're gonna use normal login. So this is the admin dashboard. So here you can see all the pending complaints which have been not been completed and been pending for a month. Then these are different views, such as you can create a user directly from a dashboard, you can edit it, you can see how many complaints have been successfully closed and what are unassigned complaints. So that was the dashboard for you. So now in masters we have users. So these are all the users that admin can see. So there is admin, master, operator, engineer, or Rahul Ram. So these are like example data. Then we have roles. Every role assigned to a user. So these roles determine what role a user has. Is he a admin? Is he a master? Is he an operator? Or is he an engineer? And each role has permissions assigned to it. What that role can do. So this is basic roles and permission. These are all the permission listed for admin to give them. Then we come to complaints. So this is complaint. Here we can see all the detail of the complaint, what product complaint is about, what user complained it, everything. We can create a complaint. So we can create a complaint. So the subject is problem. We assign an engineer. Then we do a complaint type. We can also, if a product is not there, we can either search it or we can add it. Here we use this is called a model. So model is what? Modal is basically pop-ups. And here I have used CRUD controllers and Ajax to send the data to the backend. So basically here I am normally calling the route in the controller, which will save the data to the database. And so once the data is added, after the validation, it will go past that. Now we can search that data in our product serial as we add it, and then we can publish the user. If something is not assigned, then we have to do it. So here I did not put engineer status for the timing, so let's put it. And I guess integers are not allowed, so yeah. Let's try it out. So now we created a problem like complaint ticket. Here it is showing error because right now the OTP system is limited to the user's mobile number. Here the user mobile number is not registered on a OTP system, therefore it's showing a red error. So the notification whenever the user generates a complaint, so whenever the operator or anyone, operator, master generates a complaint, the user is notified. So SMS has been sent that the complaint is generated and click on the link. So this is how we can edit a customer. This is a customer platform. We can see the customer detail. We can edit it, we can create it. Basically a CRUD functionality. What is CRUD functionality? CRUD functionality is basically create, update, read and delete. So now we move on to products. These are the view for products. We can edit the product. So every product has a serial number, a make and a model. So now we can move on to make. So what is the product make? Suppose Apple is the product make. And what is the model? Model is suppose iPhone. So it will be iPhone, Apple, and which has a serial number. That will be a product. We can also search different complaints using a search bar. So here we can see all the problem which contains the word problem. Then this is the admin dashboard again. So now let's log out and see operator. So operator is the person who can create a complaint, assign engineer to a complaint and check which complaint is pending, and he maintains the workflow for the complaints. Then we have master. So master is responsible to look for adding new users, to give and assign them roles. So what roles do the users have? Also he can create complaints. So we have complaint types. Complaint type does it have a warranty or doesn't have a warranty. So we already saw products and models. So these are the list of products, lists of models, list of all the complaints, and list of all the customers and all the users. So with the help of roles and permissions, we can restrict what each user with a particular role can see and not see, and add or not add. This is the engineer, so he can change his status. Like suppose let's do it completed. So once the engineer changed the status for this is again showing because of the OTP is not set yet, or else whenever the status is done, then it gets updated, and the client or the customer who has generated the request gets an SMS with the link. So customer link is there, you can see. So once the engineer has updated the status, let's go back to an operator. So operator sees the engineer status. So here now the engineer status shows completed. So now operator goes and update the ticket. So once again, once this ticket is updated, it has been closed. So again the customer receives an OTP, and from the pending it has been removed. Thank you for watching. This is service ticket management system which I developed over a time. Before this I learned the whole Laravel framework. Thank you for watching once again. Hope you learned something interesting.